friends, welcome back to my channel Tiny Little Care. This is a very special video as this recipe I have learned from my grandma. This recipe we are going to make using red rice. Red rice is rich in iron and other essential nutrients which are required for baby and even for breastfeeding moms. Add some water and drain the water so that all the dirt in the red rice is removed. We are going to soak this red rice for at least 2 hours. This is a healthier option for baby above 1 year and also for breastfeeding mom. We call this recipe as Kozhukattai in Tamil. You can either make Kozhukattai or you can make laddu. Now add some water and keep it aside for 2 hours. Next, drain the water and we are going to spread it across a clean cloth. We have to dry the red rice. This step is necessary because next step we are going to grind the red rice. So in order to get the required texture, we have to dry the red rice. Spread them across evenly and let it dry for at least 2 hours. Next, transfer the red rice into a mixie jar and grind them into a coarse powder. This is the required texture we need. Now let's add the other ingredients which is required for this recipe. First, let's add the grinded red rice. Next, I am going to add a pinch of cardamom powder. This is just to enhance the flavor. Next, I am going to add 2 to 3 spoons of white sugar. There are other alternative and healthier options for this. You can either add jaggery or you can add brown sugar. I usually prefer to add jaggery or brown sugar, but right now I am adding white sugar because I don't have either of these two. Right. Add a spoon of ghee and a pinch of salt. Next, we are going to add water little by little, just like how you make dough for chapati. Try to hold them in your hand and see if you can make the shape you want. So if you can do, then this is the right texture you need. If you can't, then add some water and try to hold it in your hand. So this is the right texture we need. I am going to make some of these Kozhukattai. I am going to transfer them into an idli plate and cook them like we cook idli. Let's cook them in the idli cooker for at least 5 to 10 minutes. Now the ragi Kozhukattai is ready for the baby to be served. Thanks for watching. If you like the video, please do hit the like button and do subscribe to my channel for more videos.